Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Fan, F-A-N, just like the machine. So last time I showed you guys what apps that I use to take selfie, and this time I promised I'm gonna show you guys what apps that I use to edit my photos. In total, I have 60 apps on my phone that I use to edit my photo. But to save your phone storage, time, and energy, I'm only gonna show you the top 5 that I like most and use the most. So let's get started! Okay, here are my top 5. First one is Snapseed. Next is Meitu, Facetune, Makeup Plus, and Whisko. Okay, let's start with Snapseed. Snapseed is a complete and professional photo editing app that developed by Google. In total, it has 29 tools, including details, curves, brush, healing tools, HDR, and perspectives. So I use it a lot to set up the tone of my image, but that I mean, I will go to the tool section, selecting image, edit brightness, and shadows, warmth to my photos. That's Snapseed. Let's jump to next one, Meitu. Meitu is the most popular photo editing app in China. It's so-called the fifth invention of China. Because of the powerful functions, you can operate a plastic surgery on a person by the app to totally change a person's look and feel. So in the editor mode, you can change whatever the frames and add filters. But in the beauty section, you can add makeups. You can smooth your skin. You can reshape your face, your head. Yes, that's Meitu. Facetune is the app that focuses to perfect your selfies and adjust your face in a more natural way compared to Meitu. Let's try a demo photo together. Okay, select the image. So I can use smooth to smooth the skin. I can use detail to enlarge the eyes and highlight the eyes. I can also reshape the face. I use the reshape button. Okay, that's Facetune. Next one is Makeup Plus. Makeup Plus is an app that focuses to add makeups on your photos. Let's try one together. So I can preset some themes that I use very often, or just choose whatever the hot makeups are or different themes. One thing I would like to mention, for makeup part, they also have men's section, so I can add men makeup on my face. And more interestingly, I can enlarge my eyes, slim my face, smooth my skin. The difference between Meitu Beauty and Makeup Plus is Makeup Plus really focus on makeups, as you can see. And I really like it because they have so many options for makeups. I guess all girls love makeups. Why not? But not the least is Whisko. Whisko is so-called the master of filters. It really can take your photos to next level. For example, we import a photo and I can add different filters on it. There are a lot of formulas for each filters that you can use. For example, I can add exposure, I can add contrast, adjust the size. Yeah, that's Whisko. Okay guys, that's the 5 apps I love most. And download right now. Let's make our photos to next level. Okay, that's today's video. I hope you really enjoy it. So this time is about showing you guys what apps that I use to edit my photos, but next time I'm gonna show you guys a demo of how I use this app to enlarge my eyes, to highlight some certain area of my photos, and to add makeups on my face, and to change the look and feel of the photos. Okay, if you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye!